Hey guys, greetings from Disney's Boardwalk. We're on a little bit of a staycation right now. And when I say a little bit, I mean our typical staycation is one night. Because we get 2 full days out of it since we kind of just chill at the pool the entire next day. So we are here at the Boardwalk and we have a Moonlight Magic tonight. We have it at Animal Kingdom and we got this room to help us get the Moonlight Magic and then also enjoy the room. So let's take a tour. First of all, check out the hallway. It's very unique. It kind of like opens up into this area where all the rooms are. Nice little design on that light. You got the postcard looking room number. And when you walk right in, it's a lot of space immediately. It feels very, very open when you first walk in. And we have, all the typical amenities for DVC rooms, microwave, toaster, paper towels up there. Of course, the 50th coffee. They started adding these recently, just a bunch of coasters. They're nice. And we got the coffee, fridge, trash and everything down there. I think we already stocked the fridge a little bit. Yeah, we did. And next up, we got the mirror. Has a pretty nice design. These like 3D or, oh yeah, so they come out. Got the makeup mirror, lotion, soap. Look how neat all the towels look. Open closet right here. Does this actually close? Oh, it does. Okay, so it still closes. So everything in there. Very like kind of deep closet too, but it's a little narrow to get in. Then we got the bathroom. Okay, the light is like not very bright. Is there another light or is that it? Okay, so kind of a dim bathroom. But maybe because it's just so bright out right now, it looks that way. Yeah, at least the light doesn't flicker like an all-star. Okay, then moving forward, got a ton of storage in here. All of these can come out. Yep. Closing that. This, I believe, is a bed that actually pulls out. So we already put all of our stuff there. I had to check that out later. Got the TV. I really like this light right here. Mirror right next to the bed. Light, bed, everything typical. There's all the USBs and plugs next to the bed, which benefits one person because there's not really anything on that side. So sorry, Steph. Then more USBs and plugs here. There's the lock off for the other room. Couch, some artwork, Ferris wheel, kind of a drop ride, light, and let's check out the view. Okay. It's very hot today. So it's interesting actually. You're kind of like right next to all our balconies. There's no wall dividing you, like at a bunch of our properties. So that can potentially be bad. Totally fine right now because I'm the only one out here. And our view is of trees. I mean, we can see the swan dolphin over there. I believe the pool is right there actually. I think. It's a little hard to tell. Or at least one of the pools, I don't know. Yeah, so not the most amazing view in the world, but whatever. We're just staying here on points for a single night, so it doesn't really matter that much. Yeah, so let me see if I can get this bed figured out. Oh, and something else. We have the individual conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. However, H2O said it's going out of business, so this will not be here that much longer. Who knows what's going to happen with that. I hope Disney just kind of like buys the company and keeps putting them out, but we'll see. All right, so we got the bed down and it looks like it's a Dumbo. It's actually interesting. This one has locks, which I haven't seen before. You have to press both of them in to get it down. That's a cool wooden lock. So not going to focus too much on the resort because again, we're basically just going to the pool right now, and then we're going to Moonlight Magic tonight, and then we're just gonna be at the pool tomorrow. So anyway, in there is the Muscles and what is it called? Muscles and Bustles. So that's the gym. They actually have a steam room and sauna in there. So the steam room is currently closed, but the sauna is open, so I'll definitely be using that. And then here we are down at the pool area. There's Leaping Horse Libations. And let's see, how's it looking? Really good pool day, very hot. Decently packed. And can't wait to test out the Keister coaster, the rethemed Scary Clown Pool. All right. Just came out to the actual boardwalk. Just getting a little, view of everything before we hit the pool. Gonna check out the store. And yeah, not too many people here right now. But most people are at the pool. So that's totally understandable on a hot day like this. Just checking out some of the boardwalk specific merch. There's the cups, pretty cool. What else? A mug? Oh, that's the 50th mug. It is a nice one.
15.
Oh, Steph just found the Spirit jersey. DVC Halloween.
Like the world.
Yeah, very specific. Cool. How much is that?
Probably $90.
It doesn't say.
Just like the ones from last night. I do kind of like.
Oh, look at these hats. Yeah. Good times, great places.
I
Yeah.
don't really like the leather.
Yeah. But you normally don't have DVC hats, so there you
Well,
go.
I think I saw this one somewhere else. I don't remember what it was. That's cool. This is a cool Spirit jersey.
Yeah. They have a ton of lounge flies here. Look at all this. They got the Mickey's Main Attraction, got Tiki Room, they got Electrical Parade, they have the Mad Tea Party attraction, they got the Small World one. Man, I think I've never seen this many different lounge flies in one place. That's cool with the castle on it. And then some more specific merch over here. Boardwalk Polo. Same one, blue, yeah. Abracadabra. Maybe we'll go there at some point. I like the hat. Then you got the Mickey and Minnie with the ice cream ornament.
An ornament from every staycation.
Yeah. That's how we end up with way too many ornaments. Abracadabra glass. It's pretty nice. And then, yeah, magnet. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the bag's nice too.
With the Surrey bike.
Yeah. So here's this shirt. And then, that's interesting. I feel like that's gonna possibly flake off, but it's nice. And then, is that like long sleeve? There's like quarter sleeve, I guess quarter sleeve. Then, that one's pretty good. Nice. I thought this was a Boardwalk Magic Band, but it's Mickey's Main Street Popcorn, or Disney Main Street Popcorn, which I guess could still be Boardwalk specific, because I feel like I haven't seen it anywhere else. Oh, the characters are just out and about here. Look, there's Donald on the grass. There's Goofy right here, helping with the tie-dye. There's one of the chipmunks over there just playing with the Surrey bells. Is the other chipmunk around? Oh, he's all the way in the back. That's awesome that the characters are just here and about. I mean, we saw them distance on a few of our staycations, but this is the first time really seeing them like just kind of walk around and just be here. That's awesome. Just got this awesome pin at the gift store. It was just on the pin board. Nice pin on pin action. And I don't know, I guess it was, I don't know if it was a day of pin or it was like in advance of the day. Let's see. It says a lot of stuff on here. I don't know. Either way, it's really cool. Oh, you know what? Yep, it's actually an opening day pin. Look at that. Opening day, 8/20/2019.
8/29.
8/29, right. Yeah, opening day, 8/29/2019. That is awesome. Great find. So the fun thing about Disney in August is that it rains almost every single day. And it actually, okay, I stand corrected. It didn't rain. However, there was lightning in the area, so they closed the pool pretty much as soon as we got there. But that's okay because we just went into the sauna, just enjoyed that. And that was totally fine. We didn't have that much time anyway, because now we're already on our way to go to the DVC event at Animal Kingdom. So we'll see there. All right, just a quick update. This is the situation at the bus stop right now. The bus came and left because it was already full of yacht and beach club people, which Boardwalk shares a bus with right now, apparently. So I don't think like anyone was able to get onto the Animal Kingdom bus, and now here's a Magic Kingdom bus, so we might just drive. Thankfully we have a car, so it might not be worth dealing with this, but there's another bus. I don't know, we'll see. I'd rather not drive if I don't have to, but if it's gonna take a while, then it's a better option.
Moonlight Magic DVC to the right. Check it in to the right over here.
She was just saying, yeah, it's totally not gonna rain, don't worry about it. It's not gonna do a thing in the sky, don't worry about it. But yeah, it looks like it already rained here, so we might be good. And then there's thunder.